Hello y'all, this is D-Dog here. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the HP Chromebook. So, it is in its packaging, so let's unbox it and take a look at it. So I have the box open, so first thing you know that you get the accessories. Let's take a look at the accessories. You get your charger, pretty nice. And you get your wall adapter. So you have some paperwork here. Limited warranty and technical support. Let's take the laptop out of its packaging. But let's take a look at the laptop. So I'm going to take it out of its protective carton. So here's a Chromebook. On the sides, you get an HDMI port, your USB port, headphone jack, micro SD slot, and a power indicator. So on the other side, you get two USB ports and your power plug-in. On top of the Chromebook, it has like a nice finish to it, a nice white finish with the Chrome logo and the HP logo. So, it turned on automatically. So let's set it up. So some quick specs of the laptop. It runs Google Chrome OS. It has a 14-inch 768 by 1366 display. It has Intel Celeron processor, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and 16 gigabytes of eMMC flash memory. So this Chromebook doesn't have to have a lot of storage because it runs Google Chrome OS. The keyboard and the trackpad is very remarkable. It is very nice. Okay, so I'm going to sign in to my Google account and I'm going to be right back. So this is what the software looks like on the HP Chromebook. So let's take a look around it. So this is what the app drawer looks like. So you get basic apps like Gmail, Camera, Web Store, Calculator, Google Forms. But most of these are online-based apps like Gmail and YouTube. Let's look at this display. So the display is pretty awesome for the price point. So let's talk about the camera. This is what the camera looks like on the HP Chromebook. It looks kinda good, although the colors are kind of washed out. It's what you expect from a lower model Chromebook. So this has been a quick look around of the HP Chromebook. I hope you enjoyed this video. Would I recommend this laptop? Yes, for the price point of $200. If you're just like looking for basic requirements, like just basic email, basic Google searches, and just want to watch some YouTube videos, I would recommend this Chromebook. If you're looking for something efficient and cheaper and you're not like wanting to spend $700 on a laptop, how would I rate this from 1 to 10? I would give this a 9. Here are the pros. It's got a sleek design. The battery is amazing. The Chrome OS is clean and simplified. The trackpad is nice. The keyboard is in a well-mannered position. So there aren't really that much cons for this laptop. I think it's really good for a $200 laptop. I'll leave some links in the description below if you want to go check it out. So yeah, this has been the unboxing overview of the HP Chromebook. Hope you liked this video. Please subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching. Peace.